actually nervous to drink this. Disgusting. I didn't even know this exists. Tell me why I had to massage the kale with olive oil. Maybe I'm just stupid. Stormy girl. Solid taste. Nothing says millionaire like turkey bacon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. Today's video is one that I'm really excited about. I've loved planning this one. So today I am eating the diet of Kylie Jenner. Luckily this video was made very easy for me because she's actually filmed a video on YouTube of what she eats in a day. She did it with, I think, a magazine company, I can't remember off the top of my head. But she basically went through what she eats for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, drinks, everything. So I thought today I would follow that diet and see how we get on. Not gonna lie, it's very normal foods. I thought it would be very lavish, very extravagant. Normal foods, but more effort than what my diet would usually require. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy watching a very average British girl living the life like Kylie Jenner for a day. Oh, how the other half live. Wouldn't it be nice? Now I'm going to be totally honest with you. The first thing Kylie said she drinks in the morning and throughout the day is bone broth. I thought, what's that? Never heard of it.
The first thing I eat's probably my bone broth.
So I googled it, and bone broth is liquid made from boiling animal bones and connective tissue. Now I'm absolutely not going to put that into my body. No offense, Kylie. This is probably why I don't look like you. But that sounds disgusting. Usually I'm down to try any food, but bone broth is not one of those. However, she did give an alternative.
Or my celery juice. So I will juice it fresh.
Again, doesn't sound delicious to me, but sounds a whole lot better than juiced animal bones. Who's drinking that? Is it different in America to the UK? That's the only thing I can think of. But I am going to try the celery juice this morning. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting it to be this green. I mean, I know it's literally just celery. I'm actually nervous to drink this. I like celery, but in a drink, oh, I can't get on board. I'm so sorry. Kylie, my love, I promise you there's better fruit and veg you can juice. Wait until she discovers oranges. So much nicer. I actually can't even finish that. Oh, it's disgusting. I keep sipping it as if I'm gonna like it and I just don't. Okay, so breakfast in the Jenner household. I'm actually really excited for this. It sounds delicious. I mean, I'm kind of eating the breakfast of a 2-year-old today because Kylie said this is what her and Stormy eat. But regardless, sounds delicious. Kylie says she loves tea and coffee.
But I love peach tea. I do a vanilla iced latte with oat milk.
So of course I've done the mega lazy version. I've got a Lipton peach tea and I've got a Starbucks iced latte, not vanilla, but I thought it was close enough. Could I have made this myself? Absolutely. Do I literally have oat milk in the fridge? Yes, I do. Am I a lazy human? Yes, I am. This sun. So annoying. Then we move on to the food. So Stormy, babe, she loves fruit. Apparently she loves blueberries. I thought, I'm not just gonna eat a bowl of blueberries. So I've also got strawberries and a banana and the real deal.
She loves turkey bacon. Oh, she loves bagels.
Turkey bacon. I've never had this. To be honest, I didn't even know this exists, but it's actually really easy to buy in the UK. I got it from Waitrose, but it's also sold in Tesco and Sainsbury's. I'm probably sounding really stupid and this is like a really common thing, but I just didn't know it exists. I thought pork bacon was the only way to go. But I actually think this is gonna be really nice. So we've got turkey bacon and we've also got bagels. These ones specifically are the 3-grain sourdough. So let's get prepping breakfast because I am very much enjoying the look of this. Here we go. Here is my Kylie Jenner breakfast. So the turkey bacon looks so different to normal bacon, but it smells really good. I've obviously got it on the sourdough bagels. Got a little bowl of fruit, strawberries, blueberries and bananas, and my iced coffee and my peach iced tea. Last time I had peach iced tea, I didn't like it, but I was about 10 years old. My taste buds were not developed, but I haven't tried it since. Kind of had the fear, so let's give it a go. Actually really nice. Maybe I've been missing out all these years. Does not compare by any means to a normal cuppa. In the summer, I can imagine this will be lovely. I think I tried the Arizona one before. This one's from Lipton and I definitely prefer this one. Let's go with the turkey bacon. I've got to pick my dog up from the groomer in literally like 5 minutes, so I need to be quick with this breakfast today. Do I prefer that to normal bacon? Surely not. Stormy girl. Solid taste. Delish. Little iced coffee as well. Bowl of fruit for health. Got to keep healthy to earn your millions, and you may be 2 years old, but the grind never stops. Nothing says millionaire like turkey bacon. It is time for lunch, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually not that hungry after breakfast this morning. That was definitely a bigger breakfast than I would normally eat, but she's a trooper, she's carrying on. So luckily for me, Kylie went quite into detail about what she likes to have for lunch.
I usually always order lemon chicken and white rice and vegetables, kale salad and croutons. That's bomb.
Sounds delicious. Let's do it. You know what? I think Kylie Jenner would approve of this. Going to address the elephant in the room. I think I should have put the rice underneath the salad. I was confused at the time, okay? I just put it in a little bowl on the side. Bit random, I know. But we've got the kale, the lemon chicken, peppers, cucumbers, spring onions, a bit of French dressing, and garlic and herb croutons. Basically, lemon chicken and white rice, Kylie Jenner's fave, apparently. Now, I'm not so sure that Miss KJ would also eat her lunch off a £12 lap tray from the range, but an average girl does as an average girl does. Gonna watch the second series of Cheer while I'm eating this. I'm very excited about it. Can I just say, no matter how delicious this may be, that kale was a diva. Tell me why I had to massage the kale with olive oil to soften it up to put it in the salad. You would not get that with an iceberg lettuce. Cut to me massaging this kale for a good 5 minutes until it turned dark green. What was that all about? Anyway, let's try the lemon chicken and kale salad. She looks unbelievable. I don't think I've ever put this much effort into my lunch. I know it's not even effort, I'm just lazy. Right, here we go. Oh my god, it tastes like a chicken salad. Who would have thought? No, to be fair though, the flavours are really lovely. I would never choose lemon chicken, but I don't know why, because it is actually really nice. It's got the crunch of the croutons, a little bit of kale. Let's see if the massaging was worth it. Take or leave the kale. I'd definitely just use iceberg lettuce next time. She's less demanding. Anyway, I'm going to get on with my lunch now. Start the new series of Cheer. Thank you, Kylie Jenner, for keeping me well fed today. I take back any slight negative thing I said about that. That was delicious, and I'll definitely be making that again. It was really easy. It's just a lot of effort cutting up vegetables and stuff in it. I can't be the only one that thinks that. The only thing I wouldn't do, I wouldn't bother with the rice. It didn't add anything to it. As you can see, I barely ate any of it. I just like the chicken and the salad. So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. I'm still not very hungry, but one of Kylie's favourite snacks, it seems to me like she's a savoury kind of gal. Like there's no chocolate or any sweets in this video. Oh, sorry, Sonny wants a cuddle. How cute does she look after her groom? So fluffy. Yeah, it doesn't really seem like she's a sweet kind of person. Seems like she's more savoury, because she said her favourite snack is
barbecue Lays, extra cheesy goldfish. I've always loved pomegranate seeds. I could eat jars of them.
These 2 packets of crisps, right, cost me £15 with the shipping as well. That actually pains me, but I'm very glad I got them. I feel like I'm gonna love the barbecue Lays. Does anyone else remember the barbecue Walkers? Do they still do them? They looked exactly like this in a black packet. They were so good, but I feel like I haven't had them for years. I've had goldfish before. They're basically like little mini cheddars, I think. Let's get snacking. She also snacks on pomegranate seeds, so I might have to have those in a little while too, or maybe I'll have them this evening. They smell good, Sonny. I know they're expensive, but at least it's a share bag. They taste just like the Walker's barbecue. Do you want to try one? You can eat it. Nah, the dog does not approve of barbecue Lays. More for me. Not even hungry, but I've got to be careful because I could sit and eat a whole bag of these. Let's try the goldfish. They actually smell really different to mini cheddars. Oh yeah, I remember I didn't like them. Well, I'm so glad I've bought another bag. My mum will like them though. She loves cheesy stuff. They are nowhere near as good as mini cheddars. Why do I look like I'm in front of a stage curtain or something? Anyway guys, it's now time for dinner.
I am somewhere eating sushi. For sure, I eat sushi, probably way too much.
I'm looking at a whole plate of sushi here. I'm not that optimistic that I'm gonna like it. I don't love fish as it is, so raw fish, probably not gonna be for me. I did try it years ago. I tried the salmon sushi and I did actually think it was okay, but I would never like eat a whole meal of sushi. So I went to Waitrose, and they actually have a sushi bar in Waitrose where all the sushi is made fresh. So for supermarket sushi, I think this is gonna be like the nicer end of the supermarket sushi. First up, I got this salmon sushi. It's literally just salmon and rice, I think. Then I got this little combo. So in here there are 2 crunch KYLIEs, which I think are these things. 2 of this type of salmon, 2 of this type of salmon, and 3 cucumber. And then I also got some veggie sushi. I think I'm actually going to like this one. I feel like it's going to taste yum. I've got some soy sauce and some chopsticks. On the plus side, my dad is going to love this, so whatever I don't eat, if I don't like it, he will definitely love. I'm really hoping that I'll like it because I would so love to like be a sushi regular. Why do I feel nervous? I actually like it. Would I choose it for dinner every night? No. But would I like to try like a proper sushi bar? Yeah. I think I've just got to forget that it's raw fish. That's what's putting me off. Right, the cucumber one, I've got more confidence with this. Is it filling if you eat a lot of it? Because at the moment I can't imagine being full from sushi. But I'm pleasantly surprised and impressed with myself. This poor sushi, honestly. Look what I've done to it, just trying to pick it up. I did a poll on Instagram this morning asking you guys whether you like sushi or not. And a lot of people said they like chicken and vegetable sushi, but they're not so keen on raw fish. I think it is just the thought of it. And I have to say I agree because I'm really enjoying the little vegetable ones. So I feel like I would like the chicken one as well. I think it's just the thought. I do actually really like salmon. I like smoked salmon. Is smoked salmon raw fish? Maybe I'm just stupid. Not the strongest dinner I've ever had, not gonna lie. But luckily I was so full up from breakfast and lunch that I really wasn't fussed about having a lot of food for dinner anyway. But it's now the evening. I am all snuggled up in my PJs. I've just had a lovely bath. And Kylie's evening snack is probably where our differences lie the most.
I avoid late night cravings.
My evening snack is usually a cup of tea, a biscuit, or 5. You know, I like sweet stuff in the evening. Kylie, however, this is where I need to take a leaf out of her book in real life.
I turn on my TV, I get really comfortable, and I pre-slice an apple by my bed. Since I'm really comfortable, I'll be too lazy probably to go down to the kitchen.
I mean, her kitchen is probably like 6 minutes away from her bedroom. Let's be honest, size of her gaff. So I understand it, but it's actually a really good idea to stop you snacking late at night. So I've cut up an apple. I've got a little pink lady, how posh. And another snack of Kylie's she says is her favourite is pomegranate seeds. She likes these throughout the day. I just haven't got around to eating these today and they go out of date today. So I'm going to eat this pot of pomegranate seeds and an apple. No cup of tea though. Anywho, I'm gonna sit and watch another episode of Cheer. I'm on the 2nd series. Let me know in the comments down below if you've watched Cheer, who is your fave. My fave is Morgan, I think. But that brings us to the end of this video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I've actually really enjoyed filming this one. Kylie Jenner eats like an absolute gem. I wish I could eat this diet every single day. I could, to be fair, I just can't be bothered. So my own fault really. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I'm happy to do more videos like this if you enjoyed it. Maybe let me know in the comments down below whose diet would you like to see me follow. Is there any particular celebrity that you'd like me to find out the info on? Happy to do a little bit of research for you. But anyway, my loves, thank you for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week and I'll see you again very soon with another video. Bye guys, love ya.